Did you know you can use rectangles to make multiplication easier? When students use area diagrams, they draw a rectangle and divide it into smaller parts to help them understand multiplication. This is especially useful for understanding the distributive property. Here's how it works. Imagine you need to multiply 6 by 7. You can break 7 into 5 and 2 because 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now you draw a rectangle that's 6 units tall. You divide it into two sections. One section is 5 units wide and the other is 2 units wide. To find the total area, you first find the area of each section. 6 times 5 equals 30 and 6 times 2 equals 12. When you add these two areas together, 30 plus 12 equals 42. So 6 times 7 equals 42. This shows how multiplication can be broken into smaller, easier steps, which is what the distributive property is all about. The area diagram helps students see and understand this process visually. To learn how to multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers using area diagrams, watch this video next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.